the fire of motivation, the fire of trying to achieve something for a better version of yourself is something that if you practice it long enough, you can recall it.
Looking back at times when I was broke, back when I just didn't have a why for hope. Credit cards, max bills piling up, and I really didn't let nobody know. Wife in tears, what you crying for? Selling drugs and rap, the only life I know. I used to tell her that I got us, I promised to not hit the road, but I didn't know I would blow. Now I got meals in the bag and a fam that I gotta provide for when I get dough. And I really gotta deal with the stress and the debt that I left myself with when I was broke. Now I'm back on my feet like easy. Had to put in work, man, that shit not easy. But if you really want a piece of the pie, when they sleep, gotta grind and repeat every night like, whoa. I'm sick and tired of poverty. I got a million that hiding inside of me. I gotta break up the chains and cut me the range, interior ivory. I'm doing this till they tired of me. Honestly, I've been here giving you all of me. So your opinion don't bother me. Look at where I'ma be. I am a boss like, whoa. I ain't amount to nothing. See me in the streets and we be up to something. In the hood where mans fuck you up, so you gotta prove that you tough enough. And you can take licks like a fucking man, or let the OGs get the upper hand. On the south side where I was running, man, when I get this money I'll be coming back like, whoa. I'ma give it back to the hood when I'm stacking them good, looking after the friends I know, making sure they family straight. Even mans that hate won't be mad when I'm at they dope, cause I'm back on my feet like easy. Had to put in work, man, that shit not easy. But if you really want a piece of the pie, when they sleep, gotta grind and repeat every night like, I'm sick and tired of poverty. I got a million that hiding inside of me. I gotta break up the chains and cut me the range, interior ivory. I'm doing this till they tired of me. Honestly, I've been here giving you all